So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are in any part of the world, all over Nigeria, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Asia. We are your business partner, your finance business partner, and my name is Oluwatosin Maja. I'm the managing partner of the Zone Consulting, and we are here again to bring you an exciting video to educate you, to enlighten you on all your corporate compliances. So we do accounting services, we do outsource accounting services, we do tax services, audit services, business development services for all your CAC registration, annual filing, all your Scuml registration, TIN registration, and all other business compliances that your business needs to stay, compliant and to be a law-abiding business organization and as a citizen, of Nigeria. So we are here again to bring you corporate compliance, Scuml registration. When we say Scuml registration, what do we mean by Scuml registration? Scuml registration refers to Special Control Unit Against Money Laundering registration in Nigeria. That's the meaning of the acronym Scuml, Special Control Unit Against Money Laundering. So it is required by some certain businesses. It is required by some certain businesses to stay compliant. So they need this registration to stay compliant in their business and to also ensure that they have a good, seamless business transaction for their business. So Scuml is an agency under the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, established to monitor, supervise, and regulate the activities of designated non-financial business and professions, DNFBPs. That is what it means. So they are a kind of, special agency under the EFCC to regulate the activity of certain businesses to ensure that they stay compliant and they register for their Scuml, just to ensure that they don't, involve in any money laundering, illegal money or any criminal activities for their business. Go again. In Special Control Unit Against Money Laundering, Scuml, registration for NPO stand for non-profit organization. So aside from the DNFBPs that we've mentioned, we also have NPO, non-profit organization. They are the NGOs that we all know. These organizations are created and they operate as a charitable or socially beneficial purpose rather than profit. Example of them are the humanitarian organization, the religious organization, the educational organization, and scientific groups. So this NPO, which is non-profit organization in Nigeria, can be vulnerable to terrorism financing, and they must register with Scuml. They must register for this Scuml certificate to prevent them from money laundering. Who are the people that need Scuml? They are needed by special business enterprise, business entity, both business name, that's sole proprietorship, and also for limited liability company and NGO as well. For real estate business, maybe business name, company, any real estate at all, agents, company, they need Scuml registration. Then we also have dealers in luxury goods like jewelries, gold, diamond, cars, precious stones, and the likes. Any business that fall within this needs Scuml. We have lawyers, the accountants, chartered accountants, the auditors, audit firm, accounting firm. The reason is because they are involved in financial transactions for their clients, and that is the reason why they need Scuml registration. We also have the consultant, professional, service firm, tax practitioners, and the likes. They also need Scuml registration. We have hotels, gaming company, casino, the hospitality business, they need Scuml. The NGOs, non-governmental organization, like I said earlier on, charitable organization also need Scuml. Dealers in mechanized farming equipment, construction firm, and related sectors also need Scuml registration. Then what are the purpose of this Scuml registration? The first and most important part is that they are meant to comply with anti-money laundering laws in Nigeria. So when you register for Scuml, it means that you are compliant to anti-money laundering in Nigeria. Number two is that it helps to monitor financial transactions of high-risk businesses outside the traditional banking. Number three, it prevents money laundering, terrorism financing, and related financial crimes. That is one of the most important reasons. Another thing is it helps to provide a certificate of registration. When you register for Scuml registration, of course, you're going to have a certificate which will enable you to open a corporate bank account and all the rest of banking transactions. Then the certificate that are required for Scuml registration, first and most important thing, before you can even register for Scuml, you must have your CAC certificate. So the foundation of any business is CAC certificate. If you are doing business, either one-man business, sole proprietorship, partnership business, limited liability company, either you are doing it online, you are doing it in your house, in your bedroom, anywhere, whatever the level of your business, you must register it. That shows that you are ready to do business, and we are always here to help you with your CAC registration for business name, for limited liability company, for NGOs. We are always available, and we have been doing it for quite a number of years, and we have been delivering values and fast registration for all our clients. Then of course, when you have your CAC document, you will also have memorandum and articles of association, which we normally acronym as MEMAT. Then company tax identification number. We have a video that we've done on this company tax identification number. That is for team, for both individual and corporate. We have a video on it. So ensure that you like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the video, comment. So we always bring you, enlightenment video that will, help you to make you to stay compliant in your business and to know all your obligations and responsibilities as a responsible business in Nigeria and in any part of the world that you are. Details of directors and shareholders, business profile and business description, and we also need valid means of identification. So when we have all these required documents, we can help you to process your Scuml registration, which is stress-free. Then importance of Scuml registration. Without Scuml registration, many DNFBPs and NPO cannot fully operate because bank requires Scuml certificate before allowing transactions. So we approach, or clients have approached us before, that they have a restriction on their account because they don't have Scuml registration. So when they have this issue, they will not be able to carry out banking transactions. Imagine you are running a business and you need to make payments and you have money in your account, and bank are placing restriction that you cannot use the money because you have not submitted the needed certificate, that is Scuml registration, because you fall within the categories of business that need the Scuml registration. So we have been able to help business owners, both enterprise, one-man business, sole proprietorship, limited company, to process their Scuml registration, as well as NGOs seamlessly. You can always reach out to us. It enhances business credibility and shows commitment to compliance with Nigeria law. When you register for this Scuml registry, it shows that you are credible and you are committed to be compliance with Nigerian law. And nobody wants to be seen as rebel. You want to always comply with law, because if you don't comply with the law will go against you and you'll not be able to carry out your business, successfully. So like we said earlier on, we are Tozon Consulting and we are your business support partner. We help business owners, one-man business, sole proprietorship, individual running business. We assist all of them to ensure that they are all compliant to the law and their business, be able to, run successfully, so that when we help them to process all their Scuml registration, they will not have issues with the law. So you can call us any day, anytime for stress-free Scuml registration. We have all our contacts here. We are on WhatsApp. We are also on all the social media platforms, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment on our video, and refer us to business owners that will need all our services. So we are rooting for your business, and you can call us any day and any time. You can also visit our website at www.tozonconsulting.com. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share on our social media platform. We look forward to hearing from you and to partner with you for your business to make progress and expand beyond where you are now. Until we meet again in another video, I'm Maja Oluwatosin John. I'm the managing partner of Tozon Consulting. Bye for now and have a good day.